Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to connect a Tuya smart lock using an iPhone. First, make sure there are few things to be get ready: your iPhone, your Tuya smart door lock, and 2.4G Wi-Fi connection. Also, turn on your Bluetooth on your iPhone. Now, open the Tuya smartphone. If you don't have the app yet, download it from the App Store and log in or create an account. Once you are in the home screen, tap the plus sign in the top right corner and add a new device. Next, go to the door lock ready to connect. Open the back cover of the lock and check the batteries are installed properly. Press and hold the reset or set button until you hear a beep or see a flashlight. This means the lock is preparing mode. Now go back to Tuya Smart app. Choose door lock or smart lock from the device list. When asked, select your 2.4G Wi-Fi network and enter the Wi-Fi password. This step is very important because Tuya lock do not use or work with 5G Wi-Fi. Stay close to the door lock while the app connects. This may take up to a few minutes, so be patient. Once connected, the app will ask you to rename the lock or choose a room like front door. After that, tap done, and that's it. That's all for today's video, guys. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.